What's going on, fellas? I've got a 2008 Chevy Silverado, and I'm going to use it to show you how to change both your low and high beam bulb, and I'm also going to identify to you the fuses. So real quick, I'll go ahead and point out to you the fuses. So the two fuses for the low beams, it's going to be these two 20 amp fuses. The one furthest away from me is actually for the left-hand side. So this one is for the driver's side low beam, and this one right here is for the passenger side low beam. You just pull them out and check to see if they're intact. As far as the high beam goes, that's going to be these two 10 amp fuses. This one right here, that one is going to be for the passenger side high beam, and that is the driver's side high beam. So that's the low beam bulb, that's the high beam bulb. As far as actually getting to these bulbs, you don't have to remove the headlight assembly. You've got just enough room to get at them through here. So we can look in through the back. I've got plenty of room to get my hand in here. And there's the bulb. It just rotates like that to unlock. So counterclockwise to remove it, comes straight out. You can get it out to here. From this point, it's real simple to disconnect. Just two little tangs you push on either side, and the connector will come out like so. The bulb for the low beam is going to be this H11. So the H11 bulb is what you need. And I like to identify, just take a peek at the connector. Make sure there's no corrosion. So that's about it for the low beam. High beam is a little harder to get to, but same deal. Kind of just reach in and grab it, and it's right down there. I don't know if you can see, just pops out in the same way. You should have just enough slack on the wire to get it pulled out. And this high beam bulb, it's not the same. If I can get this disconnected one-handed. So your high beam bulb, not sure what number that is. I think it's like a 9003. Now, as far as the driver's side, or sorry, the passenger side, you can get to it just enough room for you to sneak your hand in through here. You go down and around, and you're on the bulb. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you guys have any questions, or more importantly, any advice about changing the bulbs or troubleshooting the bulbs on your Silverado.